Hello student, good morning. Now this is the third video of JIT Math Hubs. In last two videos we have to observe that how to solve the linear equation in two variables by elimination methods. Okay, in practice set 1.1. Now the third one example is question 2, x plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Now here if we observe that these two examples, or you see the videos of that two examples, then you have to see that y, the coefficient of y is same there, but here they are different. So here how to solve it if the coefficient are different? Then what is the procedure to solve the example? Now we see that. Now we have to write the answer of this example is as, that is, first we have to write given equations are, which are the equations? X plus 7y is equals to 10. This is equation first, and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is equation second. Now if we observe here, which is simple, here see, it is plus 7y and it is minus 2y. But if we observe the x, now in last two example we have to eliminate the y. Now here it is simple to x, so we eliminate here x. Okay, you can eliminate a or a first variable or second variable, that is nothing important, but it is important that how to eliminate it. Okay, so there, here is x, here is 3x. So if we multiply this equation by 3, then 3x, then both the coefficient of variable are same, that is 3x, and both have the same sign. So last in two example I have also say that if the sign of the both variables is same, then we subtract the equation. So we write here by elimination method, multiply equation first by 3 and subtract equation second by first, we get, or sorry, from first we get. Then what we get? Multiply by 3. So what happens? 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 7 is plus 21y, 7 3s are 21, is equals to 3 into 10 is 30. So it is the first example. Now second equation as it is, so it is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. So what we do here? Here subtract. So we subtract it, because why we subtract here? Because the both sign of the variables coefficient are same. Okay, now so it becomes minus, this minus and this minus becomes plus, and this minus and this plus becomes again minus. Okay, so we changes the sign. If you subtract the equations, then the second equation changes its sign, and according to their sign changes, we have to subtract it. So what is it? 3x minus 3x plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled, means they are 0. That is plus 21y plus 2y. 21 plus 2 means what is it? 23y is equals to 30 minus 7. 30 minus 7 means 23. Now you observe here, you see here, what is it? 23y is equals to 23, means we have to given the two simultaneous equation. When we solve it, then it converts into the linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is the linear equation in one variable. So what is our first step? We have to given the example, then we solve these two simultaneous equation at a time and convert into the linear equation in one variable. It is the steps how to solve it. Okay, now therefore here y is equals to 23, here is multiply, he goes to divide 23. So 23 ones are 23, 23 ones are 23. Therefore y is equals to 1. We get the value of one variable, that is y is equals to 1. Now you remember the last two examples, we have to eliminate their y and we calculate the value of x. Here Now in this example we eliminate x and calculate the value of first y. Okay, so these two these whatever you can decide which is elimination, it is your decision. Okay, there is nothing difference on the answers of these equations. Okay, so what is the next step? We get the value of y is equals to 1, so we put these values in any one of them. Now put value of y is equals to 1 in equation second. We put here in equation second. If you see that last two examples, we have to put in equation first. So we put in equation second. So what is it? 3 into x. We have to calculate the value of x. So 3x minus 2 into 1. 1 is equals to 7. So therefore what is it? 3x minus 2 is equals to 7. Now minus 2 transfer on the right side. So therefore 3x is equals to 7 plus 2, and therefore 3x is equals to 9, and therefore x is equals to 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and therefore x is equals to 3. So we get the value of second variable, that is x is equals to 3. Therefore what we write? We write the answer. The solution of given equation is, here x and y are the variables, so we have to write here x comma y, and that is equals to, what is x? X is 3 and y is 1. So 3 comma 1. Now verify. In last two example we have to also verify it. So what is the verification? Equation 1 LHS. The LHS of equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus 7y. X plus 7y. So what is x? X is 3 plus 7 into y is 1. So what is it? 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, and that is equals to RHS. Similarly, equation second LHS. So what is the LHS of equation second? 3x minus 2y. So it is 3x minus 2y. What are the values of x and y? We have to find it 3 comma 1. So 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1, that is equals to 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into 1 is 2, that is 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, and that is equals to RHS. Means we have to get LHS is equals to RHS in second equation also, and LHS is equals to RHS in first equation also. Means these two values, that is x comma y is equals to 3 comma 1, satisfied these two equations. So we say that x comma minus x comma 1 is the solution of given equation. Okay, you have to understand it. I think you have to take a screenshot of this board. Okay, now are you understand how we have to solve the equation if the coefficient are not same? Or a second method is that here we have to equate the x coefficient. Now you can also equate the y coefficient. How? Here is plus 7 and here is 2. So we cross multiply it. Means we multiply 7 to the second equation and 2 to the first equation. Then what happens? If we multiply 7 to the second equation, then it is 14y, and 2 to the first equation, then it is also 14y. Means they are equal, 14y and 14y. So here what happens? Here is plus and here is minus. At that time we have to not subtract, we have to just add these two equations, because here the signs are different or opposite. If the signs are opposite, then we add the equations, and if the signs are same, then we subtract the equation. It is the method to solve the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, I think you have to understand all the examples, and I thought that you have to solve the similar examples. So you practice it and you say me that which example you got the difficult, or which one I have to take for you for the next period. Have a nice day.